Fathers to Families. Replace Stress with Success. A book by Andy Pochatko. Today things are so much more complicated. Jobs don't last 30 years. Children have social media, and instant access to everything, good or bad. We live in a society of instantaneous gratification. Children feel entitled. No wonder families are stressed. The book covers who and what is a father today? What role does he play in the family? What skills does he need in others that make his role easier? Social media. Discipline versus punishment. Budgeting and money. Communication, with yourself, your significant other, and your family. Integrating your family into a larger network such as a neighborhood, social group, or even social media. COVID-19. And many other things fathers go through. Fathers to Families, Replace Stress with Success, is available at Amazon. Get your copy today.